Ever felt limited by traditional screens and keyboards? Imagine interacting with information and expressing yourself in a whole new way, seamlessly blended with your physical surroundings. That's the power of Apple Vision Pro, and TalkMate is your perfect AI companion within this groundbreaking spatial computing experience. TalkMate isn't just an app, it's your personal AI assistant reimagined for Vision Pro. Forget tapping and swiping control TalkMate with natural gestures, voice commands, and even your gaze. Here's how TalkMate empowers you in the spatial world. AI Writer Unleashed. Stuck on an idea for a spatial presentation? TalkMate generates concepts, crafts content, and fine-tunes your message in any style you choose. Write emails, reports, even scripts all within your spatial workspace. Advanced spatial chat. Feeling isolated in the digital realm? TalkMate becomes your engaging conversational partner, adapting to your mood and interests. Discuss complex topics or have lighthearted fun, all brought to life through immersive 3D avatars. Effortless proofreading. Worried about typos or grammar in your spatial documents? TalkMate acts as your invisible editor, highlighting errors and suggesting corrections as you write. Ensure your work shines with professional polish. Social media magic. Struggling to respond to comments or manage your social media presence in the spatial world? TalkMate crafts witty replies and well-structured messages, all while maintaining perfect grammar and punctuation. Seamless style shifting. Need to adapt your writing style to different audiences? TalkMate adjusts the tone and formality of your text on the fly, ensuring your message resonates with anyone you encounter in the spatial landscape. Information at a glance. Encountered a complex document or lengthy report? TalkMate summarizes key points instantly, overlaying them on your surroundings so you grasp the essence without breaking your flow. TalkMate isn't just a tool. It's a gateway to a more intuitive and expressive way of interacting in the spatial world. Boost your productivity, enhance your communication, and unleash your creativity, all with the help of your ever-present AI companion. Ready to unlock the true potential of Apple Vision Pro? Download TalkMate today and experience the future of AI-powered interaction. Together, let's explore the limitless possibilities of the spatial world.